Hey there, and welcome to Cyber Simplified, where we break down security stuff without all that technical jargon. So let's get started.
You've seen the little padlock icon next to the web address probably 1,000 times and never thought twice about it. But that padlock is representing more work than you might actually think. Encryption, at its core, is just scrambling information so that only someone with the right key can unscramble it and actually read or understand that data. And without the key, well, you're looking at a lot of meaningless noise or data. The most visible version you deal with every day is HTTPS. That S on the end is not a decoration. What it really means is the connection between you and that website is encrypted in transit, the data. An HTTP site without the S sends that data in plain text. Anybody on the same network or network segment, like a coffee shop, a hotel, an airport, the mall, well, they can potentially read it. And if you're on public Wi-Fi and the site isn't HTTPS, I really wouldn't type anything sensitive into that. That's not paranoia. That's just how it works. Now, there's also end-to-end encryption, which you've probably heard about with, say, messaging apps. iMessage and WhatsApp, they both use it. The message is actually encrypted on your device, and it only gets decrypted or unscrambled on the recipient's device. Even the company running the service, they can't read it in the middle. That's why law enforcement sometimes can't retrieve those messages, even with a court order. The key only exists on those two phones or those end devices. Now, here's the biggest gut check for you on your own devices. If your phone or, say, your laptop gets stolen right now, is your data actually protected? Or is it just sitting there in plain readable form the moment somebody plugs it in or gets access to that phone? Most modern phones and laptops have encryption on by default, but it's really worth checking it out. Now, on an iPhone, full encryption is active as long as you have a passcode set. Android users, on the other hand, you got to go to your settings, security, and encryption and turn that on explicitly. Windows users, BitLocker is your to go to right now. So go ahead and do a search for BitLocker. Mac users, look for your file vault under your system settings and privacy and security. Just take 5 minutes out of your day, one time check to get an actual peace of mind that you and your data are better secured. So if that helped out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And we got new videos coming out just about every week. And don't forget, bigger is better.